project is Smart Mattress, year of team.
Myself Karunya, holding the roll number 6672. I am Satvika and my roll number is 6672.
Myself Lohit, bearing roll number 6691.
Myself and Siddhartha, roll number is 66B2.
My name is Tilak.
Our project is Smart Matrix. So in these dramatical weather conditions, like hilly regions and humidity regions, there is no adjustable matrix. So our project, we developed matrix which can be adjustable, like heating and cooling. So by this we can provide a healthy and comfortable sleep for the people.
Solutions of our project: sleep enhancement features mattress and adjustable firmness and support mattress. It means the mattress consists of liquid matter inside the mattress. It helps to maintain the mattress smooth, and if a person moves to the one corner of the mattress, the other corner will balance the person to not fail. And health monitoring and management mattress. This mattress consists of a sensor type screen to the mattress. For paralysis people, it will help to, if the person touch such screen, the alarm type notification will send to the family members, and in emergency cases it is useful. And coming to gaps in existing solution, it is higher cost. It means all the people can't afford this mattress, and sensors may fail. In emergency situations, if the sensors fails, it will lead to the huge damage. And complex technology. The technology inside the mattress is very complex because the connections are.
Project working is we have used the heating module, cooling module, as well as when the cooling module is about the which we used in the car coolant system. We have used the fans, we have used the exit fans to cool the water, and we have used the heater to heat the water, which the child can keep the heat or cool in the system. We have used the 230 watts AC to DC converter charger, and we have the manual switching.
Achievements will be only disclosed on affordability and the matter where users' requirements can be handled easily. This project can be, this smart mattress can be used anywhere in the background, wherever there is a power supply or there is batteries. This project can be used, and the affordability this provides is very much, so that even in a poor family there can be child sleeping on a comfortable stager. In this way, we wanted to improve our systems, and also this system can be improved by accessing of a relay modules, where time to time changes can be done by using of mobiles, and also by using of relay modules, which could help the heating and cooling systems work more efficiently. In this way, we wanted to improve our project Smart.
Society where everything is a big disaster, considering mainly global warming. Global warming has become a big problem in our society nowadays. Mainly global warming tends from refrigerators, ACs and heaters, which is very harmful to the society, even to the human beings. So we have thought of reducing this global warming and came up with an idea called Smart Mattress. So this is tended with a very small requirements and which is affordable to everyone. Coming to the poor people, to the rich people, it is affordable to everyone, it is available to everyone. There is nothing of complex technology or a huge big requirements for this. Everything is small and can be affordable and can be managed with everyone. So in today's life, as we can see that small babies tend more sleep, and which is more important for their health. So for those people who think that babies are unhealthy or who think that babies can grow in well requirement, can afford to this mattress, which is a smart mattress, and this is very affordable to everyone, in which we can set our heating and cooling requirements according to our baby's wish and their requirements.